Now we are on part 48 of our digital marketing journey, and let's continue talking about digital marketing for today's video. Continuing our topic for keyword research, another alternative for this is Wikipedia. Being a comprehensive platform with a vast amount of content, Wikipedia can serve as a valuable resource for identifying relevant keywords in a convenient manner. By examining the meta description, first paragraph, or content sections of Wikipedia articles, you can extract a list of keywords that are highly relevant to your topic of interest. These keywords can be utilized to enhance your own content and improve its visibility on search engines. Furthermore, when exploring Wikipedia, you can discover additional relevant keywords in sections such as See Also or the References section. These sections often contain important keyword suggestions that align with your search query. For instance, if you search for healthy diet on Wikipedia, you can find relevant keywords in the first paragraph alone. Surprisingly, you may come across terms like micronutrients that are related to a healthy diet, as Wikipedia provides detailed information on various topics, such as unexpected keyword findings can be beneficial and expand your keyword selection for optimization purposes. By exploring the See Also section on Wikipedia, you can discover additional information and keywords related to your main topic. For instance, in the case of healthy diet, you may come across related topics like food information consumers, dietary guidelines, or categories such as dietetics and diets. Another useful section to consider is the References section, which can also provide valuable information on specific topics such as the health effects of overweight and obesity or the relationship between diet and physical activity. These sections offer abundant keywords and insights that can enhance your understanding and content optimization efforts. While the information is scattered across the page, exploring various sections allow you to uncover relevant keywords and expand your content effectively. Wikipedia offers a wealth of information, and it's important to know where to find it. By exploring sections like the first paragraph, the See Also section and the References, and the Category section, you can uncover valuable insights and ideas for keywords. Additionally, if you include the term Wikipedia in your search query on Google, you can discover relevant keywords from the title tags on the search engine results page. This allows you to gather even more keyword ideas from Wikipedia. By searching for healthy diet Wikipedia on a search engine, you can gather additional information related to your keyword. People's search queries such as healthy food advantages or healthy food habits essay are all related to the topic of a healthy diet. These insights can help you discover additional keywords to consider. Another valuable resource for keyword research is Reddit, a popular online community where users can post content and engage in discussions on various topics. By exploring relevant subreddits, you can identify keywords with high search volume that are relevant to your content. In Reddit, there is a helpful keyword tool called Keyword It that provides information about the average monthly searches for specific keywords. By using this tool, you can extract relevant keywords and their corresponding search volumes. For instance, if you enter the keyword healthy food into the Keyword It tool, it will provide you with a list of relevant keywords and their search volumes. This allows you to identify keywords that are related to your topic and understand their search popularity. If you don't have access to the Google Ads Keyword Planner tool, Keyword.com can serve as a useful alternative for finding keywords. It is a free tool where you can enter your primary keyword. Now click on Get Keywords and it will provide you with a list of relevant keywords related to your primary keyword along with their corresponding search volumes. This can be a valuable resource for discovering additional keywords without the need for a paid tool like Google Ads Keyword Planner. Now, let's delve into the concept of keyword clustering. The fundamental idea behind keyword clustering is to maximize the benefits of the keywords we optimize for in order to achieve higher rankings. By grouping related keywords into a cohesive theme that aligns with a specific page on a website, we can enhance our chances of ranking well. In essence, instead of solely targeting a single keyword, we can target multiple keywords simultaneously. It's important to consider LSI keywords and group together a collection of similar keywords that are relevant to the content. After conducting keyword research, we can categorize the keywords thematically and form a core topic. For instance, we can cluster a group of keywords related to the core theme of what is SEO, together, such as how does SEO work, intro to SEO, and what are the basics of SEO. These keywords revolve around the central topic of SEO. Another cluster keyword could focus on SEO techniques and best practices, including terms like SEO techniques, SEO best practices, tips and tricks for SEO, and website optimization. These keywords form a theme related to implementing effective SEO strategies. By grouping keywords into themes, we can apply them to specific content on our website, ensuring that the content covers a wide range of relevant keywords and topics. The main concept behind keyword clustering is to increase diversity and enhance the chances of being discovered. This approach allows for a wider range of opportunities. To implement keyword clustering effectively, consider the following steps. Keep yourself informed about industry news to generate ideas, identify a collection of keywords or a theme that can be clustered all together, and analyze the keywords your competitors are currently ranking for. For instance, if our goal is to improve our ranking for the keyword SEO best practices, we can utilize a tool like Moz's Keyword Explorer. By entering the keyword into the tool, we not only obtain search volume data, but also gain insights into the existing pages that are already ranked for that keyword. This information allows us to identify competitors and understand which web pages currently hold rankings for the desired keyword or keyword cluster such as Moz, Medium.com, and Alexa.com. This knowledge is significant as it helps us gauge the competition and plan our strategy accordingly to enhance our own ranking, and when it comes to keyword research tools like Moz's Keyword Explorer, it is highly recommended. However, another useful tool is Google's Keyword Planner, which we previously mentioned. To access it, you can navigate to Google Ads, click on Tools, and then select Keyword Planner. This tool offers important insights, including the average monthly search volume for a specific keyword based on the past 12 months. Additionally, it provides information on seasonality, allowing you to understand if search volume for a certain keyword fluctuates throughout the year. By utilizing these tools, you can gather essential data to inform your keyword research and optimization strategies. By hovering my mouse over a graph in the Keyword Planner, I can view the search volume per month for the past year. This tool also generates additional keyword ideas related to my search query. Furthermore, it indicates the level of competition for each keyword, categorized as low, medium, or high. Apart from the Keyword Planner, other notable keyword research tools include SEMrush, WordStream, Ahrefs, the Reddit tool Keyword It, and Moz, which is a tool I personally prefer and use. If I use the Moz tool again, I can simply enter a keyword of interest. It will provide me with a search volume for that keyword, as well as an identification of its difficulty level, such as a score of 50 out of 100, indicating it's moderately challenging. Additionally, I can access other metrics such as the expected organic click-through rate if I were to rank for this keyword. What I find particularly useful is the ability to examine the websites that are currently linked to the specific keyword. The tool displays a top 10 list of websites in relation to the keyword, and this feature is part of Moz's Keyword Planner tool available on Moz.com. There are numerous tools available for keyword research, and personally, I find Moz and Google's Keyword Planner to be particularly useful. However, there are many other tools out there as well. Now, let's consider a scenario involving your friend Sam, who owns a shoe-selling website. Sam is puzzled as to why his website isn't ranking number 1 on Google. To achieve a top ranking, several factors come into play. These factors can help Sam optimize his website and increase its visibility, enabling him to generate more traffic, sell more shoes, and convert visitors into customers. There are several factors involved in achieving higher ranking on search engines like Google. One of the critical factors is conducting thorough keyword research. Regardless of the nature of your website, whether it's selling shoes, clothing, food, or automotive services, keyword research is essential. Now let's delve into the process of conducting comprehensive keyword research, where we will provide explicit details on how to do it effectively. Now, the second factor that plays a significant role in achieving higher ranking in Google is having high-quality content. Creating and maintaining high-quality content is crucial for ranking well in search results. Now, we will explore what it takes to develop such content. Additionally, we will also discuss optimizing your content using on-page elements and website-level factors. This involves considering both the overall structure and specific pages of your website to improve your chances of ranking number 1 on Google. Furthermore, we will also delve into the importance of off-site engagement which entails actively engaging with other websites to enhance your website's visibility and authority in Google's eyes. And that ends the part of our discussion about digital marketing. I hope you learned something from today's video. If you like it, please subscribe and click the like button. Also, turn on the notification bell to be notified of future videos like this. Have a great day ahead and stay tuned for part 49.